Ladies and gentlemen, unlock everyday adventure with the new Multistrada V2. Alright.
So guys, ang sarap. Let's go. Wow, maayong hapon Cebu. So guys, ngayon meron tayong kasabay pumunta sa event na ito. Isang malaking karangalan na naimbitahan. KG Motovlog and Jayco Motovlog. Bro, JM, traffic ko.
Well, nag-ilis ko ba?
Oh.
Ano ko sa mong content?
Panda ka ng for the content style.
Resulta na perting traffic.
Ay, gahak na. Traffic mo dahil itong agian.
Na, sige, content lang na. Expectation versus reality.
Expectation. Yawa. Ge. So guys, papunta kami sa event na to, isang malaking karangalan na tayo ay naimbitahan. Kasama natin si Jayco Motovlog, si KG Motovlog at si JM. Hindi pa siya nagbablog pero pag nag-vlog siya, JM Motovlog agad. Itong pupuntahan namin ay isang bigating brand. Mag-re-release sila ng 2 bagong units dito sa Cebu. Expectation talagang expectation versus reality.
Resulta na perting traffic.
Anong plano kanina, staggered position para sa kuha ng 360, maganda. Grabe ang traffic. Expectation versus reality nga talaga. Ay, nandito na naman sila, oh. Una sa ating likod si Quiz Jayco, J.Gu. Ngayon si KG Motovlog. Okay, painit. Siya na po sunod. Ayan, sa ating likod ngayon si JM. Dito ba banda yung Richie Muffler? Ayun, Richie Muffler Shop. Saan kami pupunta? Ayun, oh. Uy. Ayun, oh. Uy. Teka lang, U-turn muna kami. Uy, ang gaganda. Naka-unveil na pala agad. Ha? Abot na me. Abot na me karon. Oh.
Dali, papo.
Oh, na. Oh, diba? Manood na ta?
Saan naman si Ashley guys?
Mauwaw mo kumusunod kay. Haon sa daw?
Obre kaon niya.
Naha, ali.
Naa!
Ara, soda. Oh, di ba? Nya manood na ta. Ta manood na ta na. Wow.
Bray, may ka, Bray?
Mau ni akong gyari.
Boss, kupal ka ba, boss? Kupal ka.
Ganyan. Pangosoy. Kung masangos si Siyo. Kani siya ay. Simple kayo.
Ako niya mo ang concern.
Abot ka na mirroring ba? Ay, ana, against the light.
Ako kayo yung balahibo si Rick.
Imuha kay Ikog ra. Kani imuha kay Ikog ra ni siya, Ikog.
Jesus, ibis videohan ta kung motor lugba ka.
Lahi man imong video kan. Lahi man ni. Kochuyo. Hi sir. Action.
Butangin yung helmet sa suod kung gusto mo.
Ay, okay. Amo sa gamiton mag-video. Para wala na yung tripod. Kaya lang mong gamiton. Yo, chuyo, no ba yung mga nako? Chuyo lang mas kayo.
Here come. Julo.
Nindot to sa kuha na eh. Sa R3. Ang R3 ba? Nindot kayo?
Julo.
Dili. Ang karon eh. Buwang R3 ba?
Magagawa, laging napitulala. Kung lumalapit ka, kung lumalapit ka, ako'y kinikilig.
Hindi totoo yan. Bola lang yan.
Chris Brian, one motovlog. Kuya Brian kayo, wala na niya kitang helmet. Unsa na? Unsa na sir? 4 piece? 4 piece to 4 piece? Ayuda.
Pero si Ducati ang matag.
Mga ni Ducati, kuya kayo man. Mga ni siya nilista sa kuhan. Among purok leader sa Lapu-Lapu. Unsa na? Launching. Launching. Lunch na agad.
Lalo na lang, dinner.
O nga na, dinner, lunch agad. Sayop eh. Ano yung kuhan?
Sa kupada sa dog artistahin na neighbors.
Na. Wala, naduko din siya. Oh. Ara. Uy lang, attendance. Ay, sa mga mag 4 piece diya, mga magkuhan, ayuda. Ang Ducati daw. Hindi, Ducati daw. Asa gani buta marbensyon. One motovlog with Ducati. Seryoso ba ni apil na ni montage be? Gloves, ilang gloves ko.
Sean, now a question.
Asa ba yung question?
Money is not the problem ni mo.
Money.
Palit ka.
Nga sa ko ano? Jigsaw? Wala naman na nag-vlog ang BB na nag-update na. Yo kayo? Direct Jigo. Yo ba? The art and the artist ba? Oh, kayo? Seryoso na kayo nang ba? Di mo ginawa. Nag-utong. Pwede ka, Derek? Uy, di mo malingkod. Malingkod na. So guys, kita namin lingkuran na ni Jigo. Kita namin lingkuran na niya. Gusto man siya. Ay, lingkod rin. Ay, parang dili. Pagka kita kabuhan. Jigo. Bro, Jigo. Wow, ang sarap. Mo din yung lingkuranan sa Ducati day. Mo din lingkuranan sa Ducati. Yung tuyok ba? Mura ka ng tupihanan ba? Ano?
Ducati may brand na.
Oh, Ducati brand na ni. Kuha man ka ng carbon fiber nga naka matte black. Carbon fiber na gaya, naka matte black. Yan ta palit og ani ka ng Danish Ducati. Palit ng ani ka na natay Ducati bud. J, kung papaliton ka og kuan, pili ka na ni Ducati. Kung sa'yo mong piliyon, ako kay. Sugod na daw. Lagi na dali dito. Start na ang program.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. To be here in Cebu, by the way, I'm Renzo Kiko. I'm the marketing manager of Ducati Philippines. No? And we're glad to have with us, one of the fastest guys in the land is Troy Alberto, everybody. He's here with us, Troy Alberto. And he's also a Philippine Superbike Championship Pro Class winner. So, si Troy will join us in introducing these two new models to you guys. Ayan, I'm very excited, no? These two new bikes, without further ado, let's introduce our first bike, no? This bike will surely get you fired up to go on an adventure. With its all-new engine, this is an all-new engine built from the ground up by Ducati. So for 2025, Ducati has this all-new engine with greater fuel consumption efficiency, ultra lightweight. So this bike is 18 kilos less than yung previous model niya. So every trip becomes more fun. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for your newest adventure? Let's watch this video. Ladies and gentlemen, unlock everyday adventure with the new Multistrada V2. Alright, may we call on Mr. Troy Alberto. We can turn on the lights. Troy, please do join me in introducing this bike. Troy, some pleasantries to all our guests tonight. So Troy, first impressions on the new Multistrada V2X.
Okay, so this bike for this year is all new. We have an all new engine, an all new platform.
Yeah. Alright. So, Troy, please stay as we introduce our next bike. Okay? Right. So, for the next bike that we will introduce to you guys, this is a bike that a lot of Filipino racing and sport bike enthusiasts has been waiting for. Especially nung nalaman nila that this bike is personally owned by Marc Marquez himself. So, Marc Marquez personally owns a bike like this. So, alright, it's time to get to know the lightest Panigale ever. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2025 Ducati Panigale V2. Right, Troy, let's talk about the looks, man. Let's talk about the design. First off, new headlights.
New headlights, yes.
New headlights, as you can see right away. So same headlights as the 7th generation.
Yes, exactly.
Panigale.
Just that, if you look at the handlebars, they're a bit higher. So this is 60 millimeters higher than the previous version. So the riding position is quite upright, very street friendly, but still racy enough.
Yeah, it looks like definitely one look, you know, it's a Panigale. But when you ride it, it doesn't feel like, it feels like a road bike. Who's a sport bike enthusiast here? Who owns a sports bike? Who wants to sit on this? Try to sit on this. Try to sit on this.
Mantik, one motovlog.
Try the handlebar. What bike do you ride?
I have the 450 SR.
450 SR. So clip-on handlebars?
Yep.
Alright. This is a clip-on handlebar as well, but check out that ride position.
Nice. That feels good.
And let's talk about your weight ng bike. It's like when you sat on it, the bike stood upright.
Do you know the weight of your bike? I have like 180, 182, 180. So this bike here in stock weighs 176 kilograms.
Mas mabigat pa yung bike mo. And your bike is a 400, 450. 450, this is an 890cc, but mas mabigat pa yung bike. So, but guys, eto, pakinggan nyo. Sa dami ng sinabi namin, with all the improvements of the new Multistrada V2S and the new Panigale V2S, the best thing is yung presyo, the price, guys. The price of these bikes, can we show the price? The base, you already have a Multistrada at 1.1 million. You already have a Panigale at 1.1 million. And the S model, which comes with a Skyrope suspension, upgraded suspension, 1.3. So, guys, if you want to try the bikes, it's available for test ride tomorrow. We want to acknowledge Kim, President of ERT. Yan. Kim, nauna ka ni Konsehal. FK. So, guys, feel free to sit on the bike, ask questions from me and Troy, whatever you want to know about the bike. No, the night is yours. We have food, we have refreshments, and you guys can go around. We have 10% discount on apparels. Just scan the QR code and fill it up. So thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much, Troy. And Forza Ducati. Music, please. Hello. You guys want to hear the stock exhaust of the Panigale?
Yes.
So the stock exhaust already, the bike already comes with a shotgun, but stock exhaust. Sige, naka-neutral. Brother, pull mo tong lever up, and then click mo yung button sa loob. Yeah. Wait. That's the stock exhaust of the...
Ulit.
So imagine it having a full exhaust pa.
That's right. Ang sarap. Stop. Ang galing.
Can we take a photo with you guys, me and Troy? Can we all stand here with our models, all our groups, yung mga Kawasaki, CF Moto, Suzuki groups natin. Can we all gather here in front?
Off ko muna, balik ako mamaya. Teka lang po. Ano masasabi mo, sir? niyan, iba-ibang kulay. Sir, what were you doing when you're leaving?
Kuan sir.
Get out! Ano yun, seryoso kayo?
Kuan ro tigimo ra ko kuan sir kanang dami account niya ting bash ba.
Tingba.
Mara na ang trabaho.
Muragang ko, mana, Kevin Motovlog. Asa na mga to? Mga on? Lo! Nabot na ni. So guys, nabot na si Mini Boyo. So guys, nabot na si Mini Boyo. Kaon para di ma.
Balik ka sa go, ay kaon. Brother, di ba ron?
Late na lagi, may kaon. Boss, bomba! Money, yaha, kawan? Bit?
Hayabusa na ba?
Jixer 1,000.
Ay, mo.
Bomba! Woo! Ang sarap! Nakakuha eh, naka-stack pipe eh. Ah, napaw. Uy, matas. Arrest, boss! Damay. Grabe, ginaniato ang kuha eh, professional valet. Di, atas, tabangi. Bomba. Sir, nabili niyo bomba na kasi. Sipor. Sir, sipor mani sir. Uy, hard cut. Paisa sa buong oy. Kakagat. Uy, si Kuan Maldia ini. Si Captain America. Ang rao.
La Marvel.
Mag-away ni Nuharon. Patay, mag-away ni Nuharon. Mag-away, kauban man mi.
Ay kauban.
Ah, kayo siya ita? Gwapo.
Ang rao. Teng. Uy, ano naman si Hulk dali.
And Hulk. Smash.
Hulk Hogan. Hulugan.
Kontra ni Peter Pan.
Ninjo. Oro na yung, balikan na tayo. Namin si Captain America na rin. Avengers! Assemble! Sino mo na si Bowie?
Alas 3.
Boy,
Ako na Marvel.
alas 3.
Mona, ang linya ni Jago. Mona, linya ni Jago, ang trabaho. Mona nagpahunong sa inyong buwan sa pag-ride.
Duong helmet.
Ay, mga all na inyo.
Ano lagi? Maglakaw ta sa kwan eh. Magmotor ta ba doon dito? So guys, amazing.
siya, si Captain America.
So, kakain muna kami doon sa AA's Barbecue. So, ayun guys, kakain muna kami dito sa Dular, bunaw. Kain muna kami dito sa AA's Barbecue. Kakatapos lang doon sa event. Boys, Juan Motovlog, KG Motovlog, SPK Vlog, and Kevin Motovlog. Kain muna kami dito. Kaya lang, kakat ko muna to. Kakat ko muna to. Kay nipis siya nga bakal.
Kalagot pa ako siya, hindi mo nagyapak.
Ha?
Kalagot pa ako.
Kaniya, ato suwayan. Si Hope.
Push the fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the scrap if it happen to blow, it makes a round sounds. Pussycat on my lap, push it back and go to town down. Putting rap on my back and I'm black and snatching crowns. I they came back around like a nigga selling crack in pounds. I got a bag now, but it's nothing to brag about. Gun blast in the background, I'm a black man with the bloodhounds. Mac 10 making love sounds to a bad chick, she from uptown, no from down south, not a loudmouth, we can fuck around. Hit the music, baby, cut it down. Hit the doobie while you do me and do with the B. I feel like I'm a bust now. I feel like a bust down. When I shine bright, blind niggas is up now. In the cut, big black truck, pack sacked up. You can pick it up now, nigga. Fuck it, okay. Push the fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Hit the scrap if it happen to blow, it makes a round sounds. Pussycat on my lap, push it back and go to town down. Putting rap on my back and I'm black and snatching crowns.
Money attached emotionally, I get a clutch, and if you get too close to me, I'm at the top where I'm supposed to be. Jumping in the gang, niggas act like they coaching me. 400 rats ain't shit but a show to me. I'm on the road and I bet that you'll hold with me when
So
I'm in traffic.
guys, pauwi na kami. So mga Lapu-Lapu boys, KG Motovlog at saka Kuya Juan Motovlog, pauwi na kami. So I think doon ko na puputulin ang ating vlog. Kasi bukas, meron pa daw test drive ride doon sa JBY ang Ducati Cebu. Grabe, sana all. Ang ganda ng ang ganda ng tawag nito, 2-day event kumbaga. So matutulog ako ng maaga ngayon, tapos sama tayo sa breakfast, test drive ride bukas. So I think that's all guys. Thanks for watching and see you on tomorrow's vlog. Hey,
Get from the back, she giving me slurp, and I ain't even put my pants down. Jump in the box and slide to the other side, it's always a man down. Draw down, hands in the air, nigga, make one move, get gunned down. Giving out smoke so long, they don't even wanna talk no more, they just run down.